Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make vegetable caldine. It's a rich and thick creamy gravy. It's a coconut based gravy. This is very delicious, and it's a great meal for all the vegetable lovers. So I'm going to show it in a very simple way. For that I've taken carrot, cauliflower, and then green beans, green peas and mushroom. The shape and size does not actually matters. You can cut it how you want. I cut carrot in diamond in small florets. This one also French beans. You can use broccoli, you can use capsicum, you can use potatoes, vegetable. It can be of your choice. So I've taken this. So let's get started. So as it is a mild and creamy gravy, I will use minimum ingredients in order to make this. I've taken coconut, which is one grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of coriander whole dry, 5 clove of garlic, cumin half a teaspoon. Now I have to blend this one. In order to blend, I will add water. The same level of the coconut, as you can see. You have to blend this in order to make a fine paste. When we have to strain it, and actually you need two coconut milk, which is thick and thin. The one which will remove first, I will keep it separate, and by adding the same pulp again to the same jar, and by adding extra water, we'll blend it again. That will be the second juice, which will be the thin juice. This I've already blended. With this we will get thick coconut milk, and by adding the same pulp the second time we'll get thin milk. We have to keep it separately, but once the vessel is hot, add oil, add onion. Taken 2 medium sized chopped onion. Saute till it nice and golden brown in color. So the onion is ready now. I will add tomato, 1 medium chopped, one green chilli slit, let the tomato cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring it so it gets even color. Now I will add turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, and vegetables, cauliflower, carrot and green beans. I've added this before because this takes slightly longer time to cook than the mushroom and peas. Once this is mixed, add coconut milk, the thin juice. Now those who are using the coconut milk can, you can use water rather than this thin juice, thin milk, in order to boil the vegetable. Now once you add this, you have to keep the flame on low. Do not keep it on high. It should be on a low flame so that it simmers slowly. If you boil it, there are chances of getting it split. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and let this simmer on a slow range. So now this has been simmering for at least 10 minutes. Vegetables are cooked now. I'm going to add peas and mushroom and leave it on a low flame only. Now add thick coconut milk. I check this out how rich the gravy is, and let this simmer for at least 5 to 6 minutes more. I will add half tablespoon of sugar. Mix it well. Once it start to simmer, check the seasoning. Very important. Let this be on simmer now. I check this out. This is ready now. Check how lovely it looks. This is how caldine is made. As you have seen, I have not used much of the ingredients to make this. Spices, simple gravy, and for all the vegetable lovers, this is the perfect selection. Thanks for watching. I'm going to turn off the flame. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. God bless you all. Thank you very much.